But I'll tell you what, you got to watch out if you're partying this weekend at all, or if you're heading down to New Orleans. There's going to be a threat for thunderstorms and even a severe weather threat for some areas. So we'll talk about that. Right now, we just have a little bit of light rain pushing into the southern part of our area. So Newberry County, Greenwood, you may see some light, steady rain here pretty soon, but it's been pretty nice overall. We've gotten a few breaks in the clouds across the area, but not so nice as the storms are finally gearing up. This is a highly anticipated severe weather event for especially East Texas, portions of Louisiana, southern Arkansas, as this line of powerful storms moves in and individual cells develop along ahead of the line that could produce tornadoes. So we'll keep you posted. Of course, an update coming up on the 10 o'clock news as that storm will really be getting going. Heading into tomorrow, look at that. New Orleans included in that greater risk, an enhanced risk for severe weather. As you head a little farther to the east, it goes down. So we're looking at a marginal threat, really the first level, meaning that isolated severe storms will be possible in our area, but not as big of a threat as they'll have down along the Gulf Coast states or through Alabama and Mississippi. So here's a look at our time frame on Saturday. This is going to be an evening and overnight event, and that actually helps us since it's coming later. Won't be as much energy to access when I have the heat from the day, but still there will be some of that energy in the atmosphere to produce strong storms. 8 to 11 p.m. as it starts to get into the upstate, especially toward Greenville and Spartanburg, and then it will be exiting the area between 10 and 1. So it shouldn't last all that long. By the time many folks are getting ready for bed, it's going to be at least on its way out, but you need to remain weather aware throughout Saturday evening. Moderate threats right now for flooding and wind. Wind gusts could be 40 to 60 miles per hour ahead of that line, and a low-end tornado threat, but it's not zero, so something we'll have to watch. This does not look like a significant tornado day in our area, but certainly one tornado warning could happen, and we'll have to watch out. Any storm that spins just a little bit could produce a tornado. Here's a look at Futurecast. Notice light rain in the morning on Saturday. There's 1 p.m. Still just light rain, but the timing for that heavy rain will start around 6 p.m. Notice it's on the approach, and then around 8 p.m. getting into the mountains, sliding into the upstate between 10 and 11 o'clock at night, and then starting to push out as we get toward Sunday morning. So Sunday should be mostly dry. We're looking at a 30% chance of rain, and then we'll have scattered showers into next week as that front just doesn't quite clear our area. Once it does, though, Thursday and Friday, we're looking at some pretty nice weather in store.